how to turn on or turn off link to Windows Instant Hotspot on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Now go down and tap on link to Windows. In here, scroll down, then tap on Instant Hotspot. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on. And here's a complete setup on your PC. Add your mobile hotspot to your compatible PC Wi-Fi menu. On your PC, open phone link, settings, features, and Instant Hotspot. So here, if I turn on, it will open up a shortcut, and on my computer, it also shows a small pop-up. So here, I can tap on that to close. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.